Sateli walk. Sateli walk. No baby. Ngoba ngiyathanda. Kodwa nina yazi niyangihlupha. Mina ngibona umuntu wami, hhayi abantu bami. Nathi manje ngihleli nabantu bami. Kanjani manje? Mina ngibona umuntu wami, hhayi abantu bami.
Umthanda. Ngiyamthanda uNoSiphiwe. Ngiyamthanda.
Uthi dala wenze njani?
Ngihambe.
Ngicela ngihambe.
Right wena nomfana.
Uyangixosha?
Hana.
Ngihambe.
Hana.
Dali.
Hana.
Kade ngabonisa umthanda.
Awu, wabona. Awu, right wena. All right.
Awungidini namhlanje. Your eyes are sexy, man. Ngixoshelani?
Okay. Right now. Money, yabo. Money. All right.
Uthi ngiyakubhora. Ungasangithandi. Kumele kufake into ecijile khona uzokwazi.
Pretty faces and evil hearts. Let's have a chat. Nina ni busy internet ni tamadoda KZN are using disabled girls to make content. The only reason you believe like that is because ucinga babona babu deserve uthando aba bantu ba disabled. So xa bethandwa itype yakho ngulomuntu wena umbawelayo and ubelievayo ba ufanele ba ngowakho because wena umhle umilile and unemilenze maybe nawukho disabled. No, ukhethe omnye umuntu that is disabled because you believe wena xa unemilenze unenya unamehlo mabini ukwazi uthetha ukwazi uva udeserve indoda enhle perfect. It makes you so sad that indoda enhle perfect i-dream man yakho is choosing umuntu ongenawo kwanto onenhloko qha. How sad. Yes, ubelieve kanjalo. Because why is it a talk? Why uyazi lapha xa ucinga icamera bakwenzeka ntoni? Asithethe ngabantu abana 15 apha okanye abana 10 years. Sithethe ngabantu amadala above 18 years. They are just disabled. They are mentally okay. Bafundile. Bayayazi into right ne wrong. They can decide for themselves because babhadlile. The reason why ucinga fana bayabhanqa is because wena ngenxa babe disabled uqomba apha phakathi kwenwele abanangqondo nguwe lo nengqondo. Hello. Nangu uGosihlubi edlalo siyamthanda bazi millionaires abanezigxada zemoto abangakho disabled. Not only usiyamthanda, plenty of ladies abadlala nguGosihlubi bezazi nabo bayadlala. But because bazawuvuma for i-content because bayabenefita. Uyabaflyisa ubenzela lena le ubathengela ibouquet ubanika imali uyabaspoila bese out. Why is it an issue xa isenzeka? Let's say i-content. Why is it an issue xa isenzeka with disabled ladies? Okanye ubufuna ukudlala wena you feel like uprettier better kunoba kudlalwe yena makudlalwe wena. Oh shame. The disabled ladies are mentally okay. Xa befila ngathi abathandwa, they will walk away because banayo ingqondo. Ayinguwe wedwa nengqondo. Stop undermining people in the name of I care. You don't. Lama madoda mna ndiyawa applaud. I love you guys. I respect those men. Kumandi kuba ne-experience ebomini uqoma ndake nda-experience uthandwa, ukunikwa gifts, uteketiswa, uhoywa, uthathwa into consideration. Abanye benu senirhalela nendoda evele ukurecord nje ungahoyanga usitya okanye ikuthengela into urhalele because nguwo waloko ujika-jikana necamera ufotana nendoda engenaxesha lakho. Abanye benu uthi usathi lilanye icamera indoda ibale kuyozimela phantsi kwetafile because ayifuna ufota nawe. That is why you are so angry that la mantombazana disabled afumene uthando. Umbali ungene phi kuba disabled vele? Yile nto naniyenza kum le. Because mna ndinyisile apha from high school ochumane ndinyisile. Now I was the ugliest person on earth, and abantu xa bebona ububi bam wababona babothukile. But I've always dated pretty boys. Like, I've never ever had an ugly guy. That's why every time they go in a relationship, because they don't believe that I deserve him. They always feel like they deserve him. And ndinetshomi ubona itshomi yami ifuna uyodibana no-Amy because unalaa ngqondo yoba uthi hayi he hasn't met me. Uba ngandibona tshomi umntu wakho angafuna mna amadoda endisukuba nawo mna alokwe obsessed bethunani nisawuhlala nisingle le nto yokucinga fana bubuhle benu buyi-everything. Lungisani iintliziyo zenu. That is everything, not ubuhle bakho.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Kunale nkulumo levama khulunywa abantu lapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana yokuthi madoda ase-KZN they are using mantombazane la disable for i-content ukuthi bathole ema-views nema-likes laphana ku-TikTok. So bantu abaningi bathi mababona umuntu lo angekho disable adata nemuntu lo disable bese kube ngazuthi mhlawumbe ufuna kumudla imali uzubone bakhomenta kuma-videos anosiphiwo walapha eBergville ukuthi yana why umavusana your boyfriend afike emasowutohola, meaning ukuthi kunebantu vele lapha angakholelwa ekutheni umuntu lo disable kufanele athole lithando, especially kufanele adate nemuntu longekho disable. Sikubone kakhulu lokhu abantu baqeka their relationship because of ngokuthi one of the people who disable or the girl is disabled na andile and the girlfriend wakhe bantu hlezi baba comments atinto leti better kulapha kuma video abo tinto leti off babude ama questions la off ubone ukuthi hayibo bantu vele batshela ukuthi ma disable you don't deserve love, especially you can't be loved by someone who's not disabled just because when you disable you need to date someone who's also disabled. So uthola abantu batrika labafana ukuthi abafana badla imali kulamantombazane utebude ukuthi yiphi imali abayidlako because like ngiphi imali abayidlako because labantu abekho rich, they don't have money le bantu bathi labafana badla yona. So uyasho nje ugela uNandile lo Simuva akhuluma ukuthi hayibo ninenkinga ninebantu abatane nititshela ukuthi just because wena unetinyawo unetandla uphelele uright uyakhona khuluma then udeserve udeserve yonke into. Se labantwana laba disable abadeserve lutho bona wena labafana laba data nabo kahle i-type yakho just because when you are not disabled. So uyasho nje ukuthi niyabhetha ne-mentality lebhethako siyayibona nje into lenjalo ukuthi abantu bathanda nje kukhomenta kabi emavidweni abo vele like TikTok it's like ungaposta someone bantu batoluvele bathi wena i-content ngaye hey ufuna ama-likes ngaye ufuna ma-video ngaye like really you are making money ngaye iphi imali awucommente wena lapho mbukele ekhaya ucabangani ngaloku abantu labakwendayo ukuthi bagqeke ma-relationship bantu asithi maybe lo muntu the guy akekho disabled like has dating a girl disabled bantu bayigciko leyo relationship. Ubona ngazuthi isento lesinhle yini wena leso bantu labasendako? Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.